Hey you guys, welcome back to Dustin and Michelle, and this is our What Sold video.
Yeah, we're going over what we sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and sometimes we've been selling a bit on Facebook Marketplace.
I know, it's kind of a new thing for us again, but cool.
Yeah.
And before we start, check out, I have to brag about you. Look at the space behind us, the new organizational. Take it over, Dustin.
Yeah, oh my gosh, guys, we had finally finished our new organization space here. We have all of our inventory in one area now. If you guys have been following us for the past few videos here, you'll see that we've been working on this, and it has started to come together here. We have sort of a similar area over here. We have plenty of shelving space to put new bins and new stuff, so we're super excited.
I'm taking over this next shot though, because I'm very proud of you. So Kim, give me that camera and you go stand in there.
Oh my gosh, okay. So one of my favorite areas here is this media area, guys. We have a closet. It's pretty skinny, so what do we put in here? Skinny media shelves. Now...
No, wait a minute. You need to brag. You need to brag. Okay. If you guys saw our video, I don't know, it was a couple weeks ago. This was empty, totally creepy, 1900s Addams Family house creepy, empty. Look at what he did.
Not anymore.
Like, it really takes time, and this is all organized. The entire thing's being utilized. I'm sorry, I love you, and I just had to brag.
Yeah, for sure. Like this perfect area for like storing CDs and all that. We have the DVDs and VHS tapes fairly organized here. It's a nice place for tapes and stuff. So we also have, you know, a bunch of puzzles and sealed board games in here. So nice little closet in the media. And one thing that actually sold, the only thing coming out of here today is a CD case. Now the CD isn't even in here, and you'll remember us finding this particular CD in a very recent video where we went to some town. Actually, no, you know what? This was last Tuesday's video, actually.
Was it?
Yeah, so this one we found, and a bunch of these CDs have already sold, guys, for some really good money. So we're really happy about that. And this one for like $8, and there's no CD in here. But this particular record label is sort of a bolo, guys. No Limit Records. So if you find that, grab the CDs if they're in good shape, because they sell for really good money.
Cool.
In the cases, yeah.
Cool.
For sure.
Nothing in it. It's just amazing to me.
I know, right? Pretty cool.
So crazy.
I know, pretty awesome though. So let's go over back to where we started over there, and we have a couple of things there. We have a pair of anthropology pants that we're gonna find in bin U4, or yes, U4. We'll find that. And let's see, those sold on eBay actually.
Oh,
so,
really?
Yeah, so you started the listing on Poshmark.
Yes.
Or List Perfectly, and then I went ahead and put it on eBay, and they sold there for $24.99 plus shipping.
I got lucky. I got the gold stitch, right?
Yep, with the gold stitch on them.
Gold stitches.
Yep, and there's Elmer
Thank
McSniff over here, making sure everything's running properly. And let's see, also, on Poshmark in this area, you sold a pair of New Tags Brooks Brothers Clark Chino flat front pants.
Oh, yeah.
And those are in bin D4, right over here.
D4.
And let's see, those went for $26. Wow, that's pretty awesome.
Yes. These are the 36-32s?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are really nice. Brooks Brothers. They were a very pale color.
Awesome.
And perfect for the summer.
I'll say. And for $26, we'll do that all day long.
Exactly.
All right, so coming over here, if you would like to take this, honey.
Uh-huh.
We're going to go over to bin E2, and we'll put this stuff in here's our to-go box. These guys are wrestling up here. Sniffing like our poopervisors.
This one's being a big old lazy walrus. Look at this one. Forrest, you big turd. Okay.
All right, so you'll remember us finding this here in a recent video where we went to a church community sale, and I found a drum kit.
Oh gosh!
Oh my gosh! And we found the parts that we needed on Amazon pretty quickly, and it's downstairs. I played on it a couple of times.
He's actually kind of good, actually. I told him he could get it if he could stay in the basement. And he like, wow, one time I was like, honey, I had no idea.
Oh, thanks, honey. I had no idea either sometimes, but when
it's a good stress reliever, right?
Oh my gosh, I love it, yes. So maybe we'll play that a little bit later.
Well, but we both need a set of drums.
Yeah, no, play on it anytime, honey, please. But we found at this church also this Rolf's Fundamentals Genuine Leather checkbook wallet. And we didn't know if it was going to be worth much, but it was still like brand new. So we're like, hey, we'll take a gamble on it. And it sold on Poshmark for $21. Not
Whoa.
Very quickly as well.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so very thankful for that.
I'll take that one.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I'm going to check this one out. I don't know if I even saw this one.
Yeah, I listed it really quickly and it sold pretty quickly as well.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, for sure. Now this is something that you will remember us find. Actually, Michelle, you found these all by yourself in a short that we did not too long ago. Okay, so this is actually in bin V2, which is pretty close here. And we're going to put the bin over here because there's a couple of things coming out. Honey, you found these all by yourself.
What was it? Which one is it?
These are some Nutra Ninja blender parts.
Oh yeah, because you taught me about the Cuisinart. And
oh my gosh, yeah. If you remember our live show, we did how to sort of resell small appliance parts. And not too long later, honey, you found these Ninja parts. These sold on Poshmark, guys, for $25 plus shipping. So that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And also, parting it out, we found the base here. The base also sold almost the same day, and that went on eBay for $25 as well, plus shipping.
Oh my gosh.
So I think you paid like $8 or something for the whole set, and we've already turned it into $50 worth of parts. So good job, honey. Way to...
Thanks.
Yeah, way to,
I just
remember.
I just think getting parts is the coolest thing.
Oh
and
my
making a profit off of parts.
I know, right? Yeah, why not?
Oh gosh.
That's so cool. Okay, so now this bin is pretty empty. We'll probably take that downstairs and list more stuff in it. So, all right. So also, let's see. In bin H2, we have, now this is something that we love to sell as well, is underwear. We've done a live show on that, selling vintage underwear, even modern underwear.
Yeah, and people think we're joking, and we're really not. It's worth it, right, babe?
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't need a new package of underwear or socks at some point in time?
Yeah.
So if you can find a really good deal on eBay, a lot of times you can even find these in Goodwill, and they're still brand new. It's not like you're buying used underwear or anything. Mm-mm. And so you grab these from Goodwill from like $5, and these sold for $20 plus shipping. Wow. Hey, good $15 profit there. We love it. All right, and there's Wuna. Luna.
Everybody's here, the whole family.
Right. Mm-hmm. All right, so actually, back over here in F3, we're gonna find that. Oh, right over here. And you'll remember us finding this. This is actually also in last Tuesday's video. Another thing that sold really quick. So 2 days ago, we released this video. We're going to the town-wide yard sales. So remember to check that video out because we also found this Maglite flashlight. And we picked it up for $2 and it sold for $16 plus shipping within a couple of days. So anytime I see a Maglite flashlight, I'll pick it up. As long as there's no corrosion in the battery compartment, these things just, fly off the shelves. Pun intended.
Fly out of the bins.
Fly right out of the bins. And right into my hand and at the post office.
Yep.
So super grateful for that.
Easy to ship.
Yeah.
You're not going to believe this one.
Also going out, we found this for free, on the side of the road once again. This was in a video where we were at a town-wide yard sale. This was maybe last summer. So go ahead and check that one out because it was a really fun one as well. We got so much stuff, like a whole truckload. Yeah. A lot of stuff for free too, including this Outlaw Vietnam veteran graphic half-shell motorcycle helmet. Now, there were 2 of these sitting in a bin that we are probably using for storage stuff as well. So that we actually got for free. And check out this beautiful helmet. I mean, look at the graphics on this.
Wow.
Just gorgeous.
Yeah, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I can't believe it was free.
I know, right? And that sold for $39.99 plus shipping. Guys. Oh my gosh, right?
People think we're silly because we like to dumpster dive and garbage pick, but hey, cha-ching.
Cha-ching is right. We'll be sending out this today to a very happy customer that is going to ride with this thing
And
very
look
proudly.
awesome.
Yes, and Vietnam veterans, and thank you so much for your service. Yes.
Yep. I was going to say, thank you, kind person who wears this.
Over here, guys, we have a part of our inventory area where we like to store smalls. And over here we have smalls 1 bin, and that's where we're going to find this next thing. I'm actually working on this one downstairs. I'm putting new listings into it. So I'm filling it up yet. And again, this didn't take long to sell. This is the second one that we've sold, and this is an AC Infinity inline fan controller. Just a tiny little thing. We just looked up the model number, and bam, sold like that. $18.99 plus shipping.
That sold already?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, overnight?
Just about, yeah.
Oh my
It did
gosh.
not take long at all.
Wow.
So remember to take electronics, look up the model number, and you might be able to get some good profits on it. All right, so let's go also into another little area of this room, another little hidden room over here, which was an unfinished bathroom, but we turned it into sort of like a shoe area, and we'll put some more inventory in there. We also have a bookcase right here, and one other sale that we have actually on Mercari. The only one on Mercari is this Warhammer 40,000 Apocalypse hardcover book. I'm really not exactly sure what this is. I just saw, scanned the barcode and saw that it could be worth some cash. And it's sold on Mercari for $9 plus shipping.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, not bad. So we'll throw that in a bubble mailer, and for media mail, it's gonna cost somewhere like $4, maybe $5 if it's over £1. But that's anywhere in the United States for media mail. So let's come on in here, and we'll see a couple of sales. Now this is sort of like an unfinished bathroom that we are storing some inventory in. It's got a nice view of the backyard there. We absolutely love going out there and doing some yard work, and we planted some clover seed if you've been watching, and that stuff's popping up really nice. We're really happy about that. So
pretty.
Absolutely. So this right here, this is in a sporting goods bin that we actually haven't brought up here yet. There's a few bins out in the garage that are really big, and we're gonna find some room for them. But this was in a sporting goods bin. You'll remember us finding this at a really big barn sale that we've been to a couple of times. We pulled this out of the sporting goods thing. Who knows what we paid for it, because we got such a good deal on everything, and this went for $25 plus shipping. So not too bad. A nice red catcher's mask. And also, you'll remember us finding these guys in our video when we were on the infamous Clinton Road, the haunted
one.
Yes, the haunted Clinton Road. And we had a bunch of awesome yard sales there. And we happened upon these 12 sheets of temporary tattoos. They're full arm sleeves, and they happen to be Nightmare Before Christmas characters.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, so pretty cool. There's 12 separate ones there.
OMG.
Yep.
Jack, look at him.
There he is.
In all his glory.
So these were, full arm sleeve temporary tattoos. Somebody's gonna have some fun with these.
I would have had fun with those.
Yeah, I think we picked them up for like $1 or something, and they sold for $25 plus shipping.
Wow.
I know, pretty sweet. Loving it. That may actually be it for today. For sure, we got some really good sales going out with a good average sale price. So we are super grateful for that. And we cannot wait, guys, to hear about how great your sales have gone. And gosh, we'll see you next time, right, guys?
Sounds great. Have a great week. We'll see you on Saturday.
And Tuesday.
And Tuesday.
And Thursdays for these what's sold. So
yes.
take care, guys. Congratulations. Hats off to you.